Welcome to M365 Professional. Your company has important news, and you need to get the word out fast. Company announcements, policy changes, links, and resources. They all need to be sent right now. They need to be seen, and they need to be right. So how's a communications team to do? Kickstart your campaigns with Microsoft Viva. Share news with everyone and show them why it matters for their work. Use Viva to plan, create, and schedule your campaigns. Then publish to the places where employees are already working and sure to see them. Next generation, AI from Copilot and Microsoft Viva helps you figure out what to say, what tone to use, and nudges you with suggestions of how to make your posts better. Easy to understand reports show you how your campaigns are performing and which messages are working best. Create a high-performing workplace through aligning your employees all easier and faster. With AI, unlock your communication superpowers with Microsoft. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.